Feel overwhelmed by life? These 3 mindset shifts from the subtle art of not giving a F will help you focus on what truly matters. Shift 1. You only have so many F's to give. Spend them wisely. Mark Manson says, you can't care about everything. If you give your energy to every problem, opinion, and notification, you burn out. Instead, choose what really matters: your values, goals, and peace of mind. On-screen tip: stop caring about everything. Start caring about what counts. Shift 2. Struggles give life meaning. Avoiding problems doesn't make life better, it makes you weaker. Growth comes from solving better problems. Don't ask, how do I avoid pain? Ask, what pain is worth it to me? On-screen tip: happiness comes from solving the right problems. Shift 3. You're not special, and that's good news. It sounds harsh, but it's freeing. You're not entitled, perfect, or destined for greatness just because you exist. That means you can improve, grow, and change because you're not defined by your past or expectations. On-screen tip: drop the ego, pick up responsibility. The subtle art of not giving a F isn't about being careless, it's about being careful where you care. Choose your struggles, own your values, take control. Like, save, and follow if you're ready to stop chasing approval and start building real peace.